In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create FAQ or frequently asked questions in Webflow. So first open up your project in Webflow, then in the left panel, go to the page where you want your FAQ to be. Now once inside, go to the specific area where you want to place your FAQ. Then in the left panel, click on the Add button and start by adding a section block. So simply drag it to your page. Then inside it, drop in a container block. Then inside it, create or add a div block for each FAQ item. Now inside each div, add two elements such as the text block and also a paragraph for the answer. Then in the style panel, make necessary adjustments to the appearance of each text. You can also make adjustments to margin and padding. And once done, switch to Interactions tab in the right menu to add animations to your FAQ block. You can duplicate this block as much as you want, as many questions and answers you would like to add for your web page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!